too, just so you know, man.
Okay.
No big deal, but just so you know, sometimes people don't, you know, they want to know. Y'all gonna have a big New Year's?
Probably not.
All right, we got it. I'm gonna wait for him to get on there. Need a medium flat rate. Hey, can you go get there's like 20 medium flat rates in the back of the car? Just here to buddy. Don't go stealing it. You on there, Mike? All right, bro. You on here? Mike, you on here, buddy? I don't see him on here. I am on the store page, right, guys? I do that all the time. Okay. Good luck, buddy. Appreciate the business. Rock and roll, boys. We go 24/7. We might be open 24 hours one day. We might just go 24-hour live feed. I want this. It's like stuck. Isn't that weird? Yep. Welcome, Mike. Mike's a rook after today. Pack one. These are $149 plus shipping, George. It's all right, Tyler. I got you, buddy. I already packed you up. As a matter of fact, Tyler, check out this customer service, buddy. I bought it last night. Packed up and gone. I don't want to give everybody your address, but you get to. I don't think you're a serial killer or anything, so I think you'll mind. All right, bro. Got any black gold? Yeah, I've got more, Danny. We got 3 more, buddy. Better act quick, because Saturday normally it gets a little crazy. We're ordering more Bowman's Best. We have 2 more cases of that coming in. We're going to get jerseys in, hopefully. We're going to make our own jerseys, we think. You can get the Grand Slam 1 of 1 Nate Dogg.
They use hat, I guess.
Yeah. We're going to get Austin. We're going to get an Austin jersey.
See, that they want.
And hey, I need a dummy card. Do you see any anywhere?
Yeah. I keep them up here.
Okay, cool.
Just give them all back.
Good to know. Leave us some of them, okay? Actually, leave us like 10 or 15 so we have them. Yeah, PayPal. What's our PayPal? We're due. We hit a DAC. But I'm hoping we hit a Wentz. That's the PayPal if anybody wants anything real quick. I'll be here for a while. I'm rested up. Ooh, there's going to be a nice jersey coming up. Langford to 50. Here's a good card. Massive Material. Zeke to 199. 40 of 199. Yeah, we need to get, we'll have a Robbie, a Jeff Casey, and Austin jersey. The Nate is a buyback program. You get a $500 gift card if you turn the jersey back in. I'll sign it. OAGS, hashtag OAGS, only Grand Slam. I'll fill that sucker up. DeAndre Washington. I know. Chris Moore to 199. Lynch. Gold mine. Yes, sir. 225. Yeah, Josh, I think that's what I'm going to do, man. We're going to do something fun, but we're going to make them. I mean, it's not that hard, man. Not any different than making gold mine. All right. there's something thick. It's probably one of those metal cards. Matt Ryan to 225. Mike Sullivan. Will Fuller, another good massive material card. So Will Fuller and Zeke. Will Fuller was a machine before he got hurt. Of course, a box would not be complete without a Cody Kessler. Why not just go ahead and get Corey Coleman in here? These cards are like really nice in person, these metallic marks. I'm assuming Wentz has a card like that. We're going to have to hop on eBay and scoop that up. And this is a cool card. Terry Bradshaw for all you Steeler fans out there. Hall of Fame gold, numbered to 50. All right, Mike. After this box, if you buy anything else, the shipping is free. It'll be 6 more for this one, but that'll put you at a medium flat rate. So if you buy anything else after this second box, it's free shipping. Richard Sherman, 225. Gold Nuggets. All right, this is Mike. Mike wants another box. Will you hand?
Yep.
Go ahead and grab all 3 of them. I have a feeling we're going to run through these real quick. We might not. I've been wrong before. Which one you want, Mike? 1, 2, or 3? Let me know when you PayPal. All right, Mike. Give me 1 second. Did you already send over, Mike? Let me know when you pay, Mike, and I'll send it over. I'll bust it. My little stand is... What's up, Big Steve? Yeah, man, back in the day, before After Hours, we used to do some videos during the day, but this is for Mike. He paid later. It was his first box break, and Mike is the man. He's part of the Grand Slam posse now. All right. He said 3. I don't know, Tyler. I didn't look how many views we got. I know we got up in the 250s watching at one time. All right. You already got your hits? What up, Joseph? What's up, Jeremy? What's up, Aaron? That's awesome, Steve. That's awesome, Steve. I appreciate it. That's what's making this go, guys, is you. I promise. I can assure you. Y'all are really, really advertising, you know, trying to help. Freaking, it's appreciated, man, when you're trying to help. I see Derek Brooks to 225. think we got a good card coming up, boys. Sterling Shepard, quad. It's to 199, number 6 of 199. We got multiple folks from New York. Here's a good card. Woo, nice and pretty too. Tyreek Hill gold rookie auto to 225. Will you grab me a pack of 130s, Austin? Thanks, buddy. Moncada getting offers for Judge, Stanton, Mirror, Refractor. Steve is having a blast. The Moncada's a beautiful card, man. Glad you already got them. It's awesome. What's up, Dex? I thought you were coming up, bro. We got the red carpet we about to roll out, buddy. Alan Hearns, rookie. And that's not Alan's rookie. Alan Hearns to 199. January 1st is fast approaching, boys. We're going to be open. Come see me. We are going to be open. Be open New Year's Eve, you know, regular hours. Yeah, I hear that, Dexter. Get that Hank Aaron. Dexter pulled a Hank Aaron Auto 101 out of Icons. Dexter got a 9.510, so gonna be a sicko. Really cool. I mean, we didn't pull that but a week or two ago, and it's already back from Beckett. Yep. I see a good card on the back. I don't think it's an auto or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it. Golf black gold. What a nice looking card. What a nice looking card. Golden Arms, 225. Yep. A-Rock. Next up, Flacco, 225. Uh-oh, we got a quad. Quad patch, too, to 49. Okay, I knew we were going to get Corey Coleman. I knew it. Coleman, Treadwell, Doxson, and Fuller. DeMarcus. Rookie jersey auto. D-Rob. These cards are freaking nice. Looking for some Cardale Jones. If y'all got any Cardale Jones, hit up Jeremy on the Grand Slam After Hours buy sell trade page, guys. Jeremy's the one who set that up for me. Oh, he offered $500. He last night, Dexter pulled the 1972 Dolphins perfect season jersey with all the autographs on it.
Oh, man, I gotta go watch that.
500. Somebody just offered him $500. Like I said,
I mean, I was not a Patriots fan.
Matt Jones to 199. No Carson yet. All right, guys. Anybody want anything else? We've got Best, Bowman's Best, Chrome HTA, all the Bowman Draft and Supers. We have Illusions. We have Contenders. Yeah, that jersey was nasty. Let me go grab that sucker.
on, Nate?
All right, buddy.
Yeah, man.
We got a after hours customer busting in here. Say what y'all know, Matt O. There's Matt O.
What's up?
Only a grand slam, baby.
What's that you got there?
Look what did you see it last night? Look what Dexter hit. The Miami Dolphins 1972 team autograph.
Oh shit.
Look at that. Is that not nasty?
That is nasty, man.
Only one place, baby. Grand
right.
slam.
Yeah.
Wow. It says perfect season. You got a Kareem Hunt, Barry Sanders game. Nice. Yeah, there were a lot of nice jerseys. Tyler pulled Bo Jackson.
He's buck 80 points on 55 star. Right?
Oh yeah. I would.
Is that the size you should use, or
Yeah, just in case. Yeah, they're close to 130s, but sometimes you don't want them. You don't want them like, stuck in there. You know what I mean? Ooh, it looks like Dexter can be bought. Interesting. The man can be reasoned with. I got to see how this shakes out because this is a sicko jersey, man. This is a beaut. I like it. Ooh, Steve may get what he wants after all. Bob Greasy right there. Wow.
Do you have any base like Ken Griffey Jr. cards?
If I do, they'd be like in the dollar box.
That's what I'm thinking,
Yeah.
yeah.
It'd be like
I just need a cheap one.
yeah, just one card.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Right on.
Was there really?
Yeah, right here on top.
That's awesome, man.
Nice. All right.
That's right, Derek. Hey, Jameson, what do you want for Ernie, man? I want Ernie. I have Cubs fans that come in. I'll pay you. Look it up. I think they only bring about $150, man. I'll give you the price of your box back. Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
How you doing?
Good. Let me know, Jameson, on that, bro. What's up, Ruben? Hey, will you close that door, Austin? His door. No, not you. Austin, close that door. All right. All right. I appreciate the business, Mike. You the man. I'll get everything packed up here. I guess while I talk for a second, see if there's anything else we need to do. I can't remember, Jacob. I think it was Tim. Pretty sure it was Tim. Yeah, man. I'm a sucker for those. I didn't look last night. I'm going to hop on eBay in a minute and see if there's one. I'm going to try to buy one of those Carson Wentz metallic marks, too. Bradshaw. Kessler. All right, fellas, I think we're good. All right, Jameson, look it up, man, and then just message me, buddy. I'll be fair. I think that's about it. Nah, man, Clint. Got to stay humble, man. Got to keep rolling. We're just getting started, guys. Wait and see. Home of the Dolphins. Yeah, I'm open 1 to 5, Dex. I'll be here till, well, the store will be open till 5. I think I'll stay here for a while, but I don't know how late. Austin will be working till 5. All right, fellas. All right, Mike, sounds good. Deuces.